Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to draw pancakes. We'll begin by sketching a light circle, which forms the base of your pancake. Then, give the top edge a subtle wave to make it look more natural. Finally, draw a soft curve for the bottom, giving your pancake a nice, rounded shape. Now, let's add some delicious detail. Sketch small, irregular bumps around the edges to show that golden brown crispiness. Then, sprinkle in tiny, scattered dots across the surface to create that inviting, porous texture. Finish by adding light, short lines inside to suggest a fluffy, airy interior. To make your drawing even more appealing, let's stack them up. Draw several pancakes slightly overlapping each other to create a delightful pile. Next, place a small pat of butter on the very top, showing it just beginning to melt. Finally, illustrate generous drips of syrup cascading down the sides. For the final touches, let's add some depth. Apply darker shading beneath the pancake stack and along the bottom edges to give them weight. Use lighter tones for highlights on the glistening syrup and the melting butter. Finally, refine all your lines to ensure a clean, polished, and truly appetizing pancake drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.